Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Zara Haul. This is one of my favorite stores and I decided I'm gonna start with this store. Yeah, so let's start with checking what I've ordered. Okay, so the first one is this red vegan leather skirt. Honestly, I love it. It's very soft and I like the texture of it, and the color is gorgeous. You know what? It's gonna be great with this shirt that I'm wearing right now. I definitely like how it's hugging my hips over here and it's very tight on my waist. I like it. I think it's very nice with this blouse, and it's gonna be great with like black turtleneck or black t-shirt. I've ordered a few coats in this haul. This is the first one. It's something in the middle of coat and warm sweater, cardigan. Yeah, something in the middle. I like the coloring. I like the pattern. It looks very interesting. I think it's gonna be great with like black turtleneck and simple jeans and like high heels maybe, or no, not high heels, maybe wear sneakers. Let's try and see how it looks. As you see, there is this pattern on the coat, so it makes it more interesting. It's not just gray, it's like it has black and white. I like these buttons and actually like pockets. They feel very comfortable. Okay, the next item in this box is this white jumper hoodie, and I do have a specific look that I want to recreate. And for that look I needed a white sweater, a white hoodie. No, not white sweater, white hoodie. I like it. Oh, okay, I thought it's like a part of design. Yes, that's a part of design. This looks a little weird. I would prefer to have like a regular, but again, let's try and see how it looks. I'm definitely gonna keep this hoodie. I love how it sits on my body and how it like creates this fold when I tuckle in my jeans. It looks perfect with these jeans and with this white shoes. This is the next one. It's more cropped, so I think this one gonna look better with the look that I want to recreate. As I've mentioned, this style of hoodie is cropped, so you don't need to tuck it in your jeans. It looks perfect with high-waisted jeans. I definitely like this one as well, and I like the hood on the back. It's very comfy, and I like the quality. It's so soft, and the fleece on the other side, it's very comfy and warm. The most exciting part is coming. Oh my gosh, look at them. Oh, I saw them online, and once I saw them, I was like, I have to order. I have to have these boots. I have to. Look at this color. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's gonna be great with like everything in my closet for sure. And plus, it's like a staple piece right now in this season. But I hope they're gonna fit me because I want to keep them. Next pair of shoes that I've ordered. These ones. I just love very masculine feet on girls, so I love like heavy and masculine boots, especially if you pair it with very like feminine dress or skirt. I feel it might be good with the leather skirt that I've ordered, and like this I can style it with everything, honestly. The last pair of shoes in this haul are these ones. Honestly, I don't know who doesn't own them already. They were on sale for $30, $29.99 Canadian. So even if they're not comfortable, for $29.99 I can just keep them so I can look at them and enjoy them. That's gonna be my thumbnail. I honestly like this design. What do you think? Do you like that? Let me know if you already own the pair like this. Okay, let's move on to more dresses. I ordered multiple dresses to go with the camel boots that I just showed you, because I do want to recreate a look when it's like dress is a little longer than your boots, so it covers the boot a little bit. Okay, this is the first one. It looks like this. It's very hard to show you, but you're gonna see it on me. So a few things. I do love the pattern. Like, look at these colors. It looks amazing, and it's gonna match my boots perfectly. I do like that it has like a knock over here, so I can tie it more on my waist because I have very small waist and like larger hips. I like how this dress looks with these boots, but I need to size down because this dress is a little too big for me. But other than that, I definitely love the dress and these amazing boots. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is another dress that I ordered to go with my boots. Why it's so wrinkly? But okay, I'm gonna do my best to, you know, to make it look better before I tried it on. It's very similar style to the one that I just showed you. It has a tie on the waist. It's a little shorter. Let's try. I'm not very tall, so it might be fine. I don't like that it's wrinkled, but it might look better on me. I like this dress more than the previous one just because it fits better with my body shape. It's a little shorter, but it still covers the boot. The next dress is also for those camel boots. Ooh, I love this pattern. I hope it's gonna fit me because I'm in love with this dress already. I like that it has like this blue color. Unfortunately, it's 99 polyester, but it's winter. I don't mind wear polyester in winter because I do have a layer underneath. I make sure that I put something in between my skin and polyester. This one is my favorite dress within this haul. I love the pattern and I love how it sits in my body, and I love how it looks with the camel boots, and it's very stylish. It's very good for everyday look. You can style it down and style it up for some occasions if you wear it with the high heels. The next item that I ordered is actually 3. It's the same thing, but it's in 3 different colors. And the reason why I ordered 3 of them, because I love this turtleneck. This is like the best turtleneck so far Zara ever done. Zara usually have like this golden buttons on the sleeve. I don't like them. I don't like them. It's 50% of wool and 50% of polyester and acrylic, so the quality is amazing. They were $29.99. The regular price was $39.90, but it's on sale, so the price is ridiculously cheap. So I definitely need them. It looks amazing with the high-waisted blue jeans and with like black jeans as well. I love the texture of it. It's so comfy and it's so warm, and it just sits nicely. I like how it makes folds on my neck, and I can unfold it and fold it, and both ways it looks great. Saw this pants on Instagram on one of the bloggers I do like, and I was like, I want to try them, even though it's not exactly my style. It's a little more out there. Anyway, I ordered. I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna show you how they look, but if they don't look good, I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely love these pants and I'm gonna keep them for sure. I love how it's hugging my waist and very loose in my hips and loose in my legs as well, and I like this buttons details, and it looks perfectly with the turtleneck that I've ordered in this haul as well. Okay, the last in this haul is this camel coat. First look, I like it. I like buttons for sure. It adds some chic to camel coats. I'm not a big fan of pockets. Obviously, I'm never gonna put anything in these pockets because, like, don't do it. Don't ever put anything in your front pockets. Try it on and see. that was it. I showed you all the pieces I've ordered. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got inspired and subscribe to my channel to see more of videos like this. Also subscribe to my Instagram page here. I post daily, and also I share my stories, everyday stories over there. Subscribe, like, and see you in my next video.